Now.
Get it. I'm telling you, we don't even really need to.
Alright, I'm recording.
Whoa.
Mag up. There you go. Alright, now we can mag up.
You can put your mag up.
Well, yeah, when you're past the rope, you're good to go.
Put it in your pocket. Stay in your pocket.
Alright. What's the game plan? Survive?
Well, we're attacking.
Yeah, but I want to be as cautious as possible for single elimination, so.
He's flanking. That's all I know.
Yeah.
Where's team 2 and 3 go? Team 2's attack. Yeah, but we're with team 3. Intersection. Intersection, okay. Thank you.
So that's defending team?
Yep.
Well, you can do it without blowing up.
Bust that ass.
Call him. Game plan. I'm going left, flanking.
We need a good, like, strong force to go right down the middle. We sort of a diversion.
What? So we're just gonna make tape.
Get this thing warmed up, dude. These are 2.5s. Damn, they're leveling out like 20s.
He won't go down anymore.
I'm glad the 400s are on our team for right now. One of them.
Oh no! It's burning out here. Oh my god. Look at that.
Iron Man.
That's cool. It's like a fencing mask.
Huh?
Finale. Gee, who is it hot out here? I'm gonna get like heat stroke or something. Alright, team 2 and 3, you guys hold this position. I'm gonna go check on 1.
Got it. Let's play.
Oh yeah?
It's still counting, right? Like, tick, tock, tick.
Guys, let's go up this way.
Who's that one kid that had 10? Yeah, you chilling 10, right? 10? 10?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, Carter, I'm flanking this way. Left. Come on, Carter.
Yeah, my little spot on it. Whoa! Just fine. Yeah, Daniel. A lot of folks, you know him. You Daniel's little brother. Hey, where are we going?
That way. Which way?
Daniel's
I like that way better.
This way? Well, they're flanking too, so they'll flank, and I guess we'll flank around them.
Whoa!
Flank the flankers.
Tyler, just reach on your back for a mag. Yeah. It's easier than they'll fall out. It will.
Hop up rope.
Where'd you get those guys? Alright guys, make sure you got your eyes on.
Alright, we're on, guys.
They're starting at the plane. When the game's on, they can go wherever they want to, all right? So they can flank around you if they want to. But the objective is at the plane. Yeah, they need to stop and you can blow on that horn. Go ahead and just put a 15-minute time limit on it.
Say, what? We gotta get to the airplane and attack.
Blow the horn.
Oh, I see. What? Okay. What's the horn look like? The white one with the red? Alright, game on, let's go. Alright,
Where are we going? I won't be able to be the best team in here then. Yeah! Alright, so where are we going?
How long do we got?
Not much.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good rush.
Oh yeah.
Let's take cover. Let's play. It seems like we do a battlefield. We don't guard the objective. We guard like a random tunnel. But we get the much kill. Yeah. Because for some reason, everyone just wants to go down that tunnel. You know, guys, we only did that one time, and now
It was awesome.
No, actually like 2 times, Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew, I'm getting tired of carrying your crap.
So far away. Look at him. Fire position.
You see?
So close, you get tired of that entry.
You see them?
Yeah. I'm already tired.
They're already here?
3 of them. Hey. Hey. Grab the hill. Press up, guys. Press up. You gotta run back. Alright, firing line.
You gotta stack up. Watch top of that hill.
Careful, they're right up there.
Watch out for snipers. Yeah, they're firing. Contact 12. What's up? I'm moving up to the ravine. Got you covered.
Whoa. Take the truth. Everybody, become as slow as possible. We got a teammate in the tree.
Hey, watch your fire too. We got a team up there, so pick your targets. All right, coming to you. Heads up, take cover. What do you see?
Where at?
Behind the big tree.
That'll be the best time to spread out.
Go.
Got you covered, go.
Go, guys, go.
Yeah, we gotta move, we gotta spread out, we're too big. Hey, watch your fire,
Go.
Alright, I'm on you.
Okay. Jacob.
Yep. Try and get in that little bank area right there on the trench. I'll take your tree.
Watch that support team. We don't want no friendly fire. All right, hey, someone provide overwatch. We're moving into this ravine. We can't see top of the hill, so someone needs to stay back and cover our asses.
We got our support guy. Is he right behind that tree?
You're good.
Who wants us to move to the trench?
Move to the trench.
Dude, we got so many guys down there.
I know, but we ain't doing nothing here.
All right, move up. Move up. They're pulling back.
We're falling back. Push up. All right, here we go. Shit. Get down there at 12. Hey, y'all. Front overwatch. Watch the crossfire. Shit. Jacob, you hit. Hey, we got fire right.
What? Really? You need to stay up high, Andrew.
Richmond, where was he at? Where was he at? Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yeah, I'm not allowed to tell you anything.
Got it. Where's our main force? You might want to back up and support our main force. Y'all need to get the cover. Hey, coming to y'all. Shit, they're right here. Top of the hill, is that enemies or friendlies? Yeah. Nice.
Hey, you want to take mags out?
Yeah.
Or just phone?
And that's game one.